The accusations contained in the article by Radio Z journalists were addressed in a special statement by the Speaker of the Sejm, Elżbieta Witek. I have never sought any special treatment for my husband, nor a transfer from the district hospital, nor any other extraordinarily special measures to which I and my family are entitled by law in connection with my office. I leave all medical issues to the doctors at the hospital in Legnica, in whom I have full trust and respect for their work. In an important week when the focus is on one's family, hitting Mrs. Speaker's family is clearly lined with a desire to hit Mrs. Speaker, who is fighting for her husband's life. This is a situation that has to be explained. I understand the deep suffering of Mrs. Marshall Witek. I understand the suffering of this family, because the disclosure of personal data should not have happened. It cannot be that politicians, due to their social and political position, can be treated in a privileged way in relation to other citizens. The deceased woman's daughter believes that her mother has not received adequate medical attention, as the Speaker's husband has been taking a place in the ICU at Legnica Regional Hospital for many months. The person filing the criminal complaint was questioned with the participation of an attorney. We have asked the medical facility to send us information. When we receive it, we will decide what to do next with the proceedings. In the face of the accusations against Elżbieta Witek, words of support were also expressed by the President of Law and Justice, Jarosław Kaczyński, making an accusation because of the fact that Mrs. Speaker Elżbieta Witek, as a loving wife, has been fighting for the life and health of her seriously ill husband for a long time, and using this information for political struggle is simply an undignified action and deserves the toughest words of condemnation. In turn, the chairman of the National Broadcasting Council, Maciej Świrski, has launched an ex officio investigation into the publication on Radio Z's website. The Speaker of the Sejm has also announced legal action. The radio station's editors are denying the allegations. We do not agree with the allegations made by Ms. Speaker Elżbieta Witek in her statement. Our article was prepared with journalistic diligence. We also believe that the discussion should now focus on the substance of the problem we described. How do the doctors feel? After all, a great injustice has been done to them too. They do what they can to save human life, and suddenly they are put in the role of those who do some business. Representatives of the National Health Fund said that all procedures regarding the treatment of the husband of Sejm Speaker Elżbieta Witek were carried out in accordance with current regulations.